Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. This was sent to me by Benchmade, and I wasn't expecting anything from them. They didn't, at least not that I remember. I don't remember having a conversation with them, so I'm really curious about this. As per usual, if it's something I can link, I will link it right down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. It does help the channel when you use my links, but that's up to you. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, what did you send me, Benchmade? I'm really intrigued by this. Hold on, we got some different... we have tape that I'm not strong enough to break with my hands right now for some reason. It's definitely... Oh, is it more than one thing? Oh, no, it's one thing. Ooh, okay, yeah, all right. I'm super interested in this one. This is their new OTF. Yeah, okay. All right. Nice. Okay, so the first thing I have to check is how solid is it on Lockout. I'm happy to report that it is quite solid, much more solid than, some of their OTFs that I have experienced in the past. The handle skills are extremely lightweight, and I believe that's because these are, I think, are they CF Elite? I think that's what they are. I'm going to let you guys know, they do feel, they feel hollow. We do have a nice diamond texture pattern that is similar to what you would get on like the Bug Out standard. It's kind of shadow boxed in here. And then we have this super grippy area up here, which is going to be beneficial, during use. This is very grippy up here, extremely. This is like, I don't know, it feels like grip tape, definitely. We have mounting positions for both, well... So here's it. Let me think about this. Yeah, because it has to be pointed down like this. So if you're going to carry left-handed people, you can totally just flip the pocket clip over. Since the handle shape is not perfectly symmetrical, if you're going to carry, as a left-handed person, if you're going to carry it, right, you put it in your pocket like this, well, you're not going to deploy it with your, you're going to deploy it like this, right? So you're going to want this, you're going to want the pocket clip on this side. Fortunately, we do have Benchmade's best or one of their best clips on here. Little glass breaker, not completely necessary, but it seems like people always want those on OTFs, and it is very small, so that's fine. We have, what's really cool is we have what I'm guessing is a PVD coating. It's like a flat, dark earth PVD. What's the blade steel? It's crew wear. Wow, a little treat from Benchmade here. So I actually like the blade shape and size ratio to the handle. It is definitely, it's like not quite as tall, but again, think about this. The thing has to fit into the handle. And then it has to be, the handle, you want it to be a shape that you're going to, be able to hang onto and use comfortably. Yeah, they've done that here. This is, so this absolutely feels, here's what this feels like. I'm going to tell you what it feels like. It feels like plastic. This, which is, I'm going to guess aluminum. It feels like you're sliding an aluminum switch on a plastic surface. It feels exactly like what you'd think. But the deployment is a little bit more snappy than you'd expect. I expected it to be weak. It feels so light. That's why. So the deployment is definitely snappier than what you would expect. Wow. 2.75 ounces. It's almost like a Bug Out-esque OTF. How about some size comparisons? Just a couple. This is not a review. This is an unboxing and first impression. So I've never handled this before. This would be a stupid time to review an item. I don't understand those channels who are like, oh, I'm unboxing it for the first time and now I'm going to review it. Well, it's because it's not their first time actually handling it. That would make no sense, right? So full review will come down the road, but here it is up against the Bug Out. Here it is up against the Benchmade Griptilian, or in this case, the Ritter Hogue. How about the Para 3? There we go. We'll do PM2. Yeah, full size. I'm guessing that's right at 8 inches. Oh, is it a little over? Yeah, 8 1/8, or you could say, I guess, 8.3 if you go to the glass breaker. The blade length is exactly 3.5 inches. Cutting edge, also just about 3.5. It's just a little shy of 3.5 inches. Yeah, so this is a full-size OTF. It's going to be about the same size, very, very close to your Recon 35. A little bit shorter than the Ultratech. Well, nah, just about the same. It's just going to be a little wider. A little bit longer, a little bit bigger than the Lightning OTF. Both a little bit bigger than both the Lightning OTF and the Recon 35, and the standard size Troodon for those of you who have that knife. Trying to think of other. The Microtech Hera. It's also going to be a little bit longer than that. So what's cool is that we got crew wear, which is awesome. So they went for, lightweight utility, but still with materials that are extremely strong for, I guess, the amount of material there is. There has to be a steel chassis in there. There has to be. In fact, yeah, you can see it there. So the steel chassis on the inside. We have these scales. You pick this up, and it's the same kind of thing as the Bug Out. You pick it up, and you're like, wow, it's so light. It almost feels like it's delicate. But if this is the material that I think that it is, right, then, yeah, it's going to be tough. Your crew wear is going to be tough. They did it in a Tanto blade shape, which is, it's not an ultra-thick blade stock, but that's going to be plenty strong, right? It's kind of neat. Yeah, the Benchmade Shootout. So, pretty cool. I know it's an OTF that a lot of people are interested in. I gotta say, here's just covering first impressions. Love the size. Nice work on the size. Thank you for the right pocket clip. Thank you for the awesome ergonomics. Thank you for doing crew wear, and thank you for doing this really awesome FDE, what I assume is PVD on it. That's great. God, I hope they do one in aluminum. I really hope they do one in aluminum. That would be super cool. If you love, listen, if you're looking for, balance when it comes to, minimizing the amount of knife you have on your person in terms of weight and maximizing how capable it is, oh, you're going to love that. You're going to love that. I like a little bit of density. I would love this exact same thing in aluminum. But this is cool. Boy, I can't believe how light it is. That is just crazy. The deployment does feel good, and I'm dead serious about the lockup. Lockup feels fine. This is no different than my Microtech Ultratech, my Recon 40, Dirac Delta. My Scarab's a little more solid than that, and of course my Deadlock, which doesn't have any blade play, sure. But yeah, this is good. Very cool. Okay. Well, Benchmade, awesome. Thanks for sending this in. I can't wait to review this for you guys. I will link this. I think these are kind of hard to get right now, but I'll link it so that no matter when you're watching this video, it will at least search for the knife so it can bring up specs and things like that if you want any additional information. If you want the full review, it'll come down the road just a bit. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.